everyone, it's Cynthia at Country Concessions, the quilt shop in Cookstown, Ontario. I wanted to tell you today about an event that we are having next Thursday, September the 5th, and I can't believe it's September, but it is. So it's kind of back to school time. So we're excited to be unveiling our classroom schedule for the fall. So we have lots of familiar classes. Our beginner series is continuing. We are having lots of sit and sews, and then we have some other classes, thread painting and quilting with a walking foot, lots of different things that have been in our calendar before, but interspersed with some new and exciting classes. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things. First of all, the Meet the Maker event is an open house for our classes. So most of our classroom teachers are going to be here with their samples, so they will be able to show you firsthand the projects that you might be able to work on in one of their classes, answer any questions. You can check out the supply list. You can have a real close-up and personal look at the samples and figure out what classes you might want to do this fall. So our Meet the Maker event is on September the 5th, and it runs from 2 to 4 in the afternoon or 6 to 8 in the evening. You can come to either of those times. We will be having some refreshments, and we will also be having a draw at each session for a gift card that you can use towards a class or towards some other supplies. So just going to show you a few of the new things that are coming up. There's too many for me to show you everything, but hopefully you'll be able to make it out to our classroom open house to see everything firsthand. So first of all, I wanted to show you a new bag called the Mondo bag. So this is a really cool bag that is built on a grid. So it's a nice big bag, and it is built on a grid using jelly roll strips. So it's a lovely big bag, lots of space inside with lots of pockets. But Sonora will be teaching that, and she'll be showing you how to build the bag on the grid. You can also make this in 2 smaller sizes if you prefer, or the nice big bag that we have on display here. And that class is going to be in October. Dates and everything are on our website, so you can check those all out. Another really cool new bag tote that we have, this is called the Rope Tote, and this is taught by Arlene, who has been also teaching our rope bowl class. So this is a fabulous tote. It's almost big enough to, we can say it can be a cradle for a baby, but you can make any size you want. It's got some beautiful decoration on the front, but this is made using clothesline and your regular sewing machine. They're really easy to make, and our rope bowl class have been incredibly popular. So I'm sure this, the tote bag made with the clothesline rope tote is also going to be a really, really fun class, and I believe that one is also in October. Another one we have here is the Maker's Tote. This is a very cool, easy tote bag. So it's got a zipper across the top here and lots of space inside. This one just is batting to hold it nice and firm, but really pretty. And there's another one that's made with an old pair of jeans. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't think of anyone who wouldn't want to carry that bag. So 2 different sizes of the Maker's Tote. And that class is October 2nd and 3rd, and it's taught by Patty. And you'll be able to check things out with her, but a really fun class to make. One class that's coming up fairly soon, actually, this is the Zippy bags. These are really cute little bags made with mini charms, and you can make it any kind of mini charm you want, or you can cut your own from scrap fabric, so 2.5-inch squares, and it's called Zippy Bags, and that is taught by Sonora, and we have 2 sessions of that. The first is on the 4th. It's actually before our Meet the Maker Day, and the second one, I believe, is on the 12th. Yes, it's on the 12th of September as well. Vinyl project bag. I'm just looking around to see if I see it. The vinyl project bag is a really cool bag that has a vinyl front on it, so you can see whatever project you're popping inside, and it's a really nice bag for carrying your squares or your supplies to class, anything like that. I've been shown it. There is the vinyl project bag, so you can see it's a great size and shape and very, very easy to make. Now, another one that we're introducing this time around is called Big Stitch Quilting, and Sally is teaching this class. So this is a great little mini quilt here, but I'm going to come really close so you can hopefully see some of the big stitching done on here. So this is a wonderful way to hand quilt your items, but without the intensity of doing small hand quilting on your big project. So big stitching looks like a lot of fun. This is something I really want to try myself. Maybe you'll see me in the class. That would throw everybody off. Anyway, big stitch quilting is being taught by Sally, and that is coming up on October 24th. So that's just a few of our new projects. We've got all sorts of stuff going on. We've got a really burgeoning group that are doing English paper piecing with Chris. There's a sit and sew for that, but she also teaches the technique. So that's a really fun thing to try if you haven't tried it before. We also have over here, this is our little paper piecing sampler. We've got an introduction to paper piecing, which is the one just behind me here, but we're also going on to some more advanced paper piecing as well, again with Sonora. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. Anyway, I hope you'll be able to come out for Meet the Maker